Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss what is Agile and Scrum methodology. Let's discuss what is Agile. Agile is a software development methodology where development and testing happen iteratively in small cycles. Instead of delivering the whole project at once, Agile goal faster delivery, continuous feedback, better collaboration, and quick adaptation to changes. So this is agile goal. So what is the goal? Faster delivery, continuous feedback, better collaboration, quick adoption to changes. Let's compare between traditional versus agile. Traditional, let's say take waterfall model versus agile. Traditional is sequential process, agile is iterative process. Traditional is late testing, agile is continuous testing. Traditional less flexibility, agile high flexibility. Traditional long release cycle, agile frequent releases. Then let's talk about agile workflow. Requirement, sprint planning, development, testing, review, and release. What is Scrum? Definition: Scrum is the most popular agile framework used to manage agile projects in short iterations called sprints. What is Scrum? Scrum is the most popular agile framework used to manage agile projects in short iterations, that is called sprints. Scrum focus, team collaboration, incremental delivery, daily progress tracking. So this one is Scrum focus. Team collaboration, incremental delivery, daily progress tracking. Okay. Then what is a sprint? A sprint is a short development cycle usually lasting 1 to 4 weeks. Okay. What is sprint? Sprint is a short development cycle usually lasting 1 to 4 weeks. Okay. Then sprint activities. Activity and purpose. Planning, decide sprint work. Planning, decide sprint work. Development, build features. Testing, validate features. Review, demo completed work. Retrospective, process improvement. Okay. So these are the activities and these are the purpose. Planning is to decide sprint work. Development is to build features. Testing is to validate features. Review is demo completed work. Retrospective is process improvement. Okay. Then Scrum roles. What are the Scrum roles? Role: product owner responsibilities defines requirements. Scrum Master facilitates agile process. Development team develop and test application. Let's talk about product owner. Product owner is responsible for business requirements, prioritization, product backlog. Okay, so product owner is responsible for business requirements, prioritization, and product backlog. Scrum Master. Scrum Master is responsible for removing blockers, conducting Scrum meetings, and ensuring agile practices. That is the responsibility of Scrum Master. Then next one is development team. Development teams includes developers, testers, automation engineers, and DevOps engineers. So that includes development team. Then Scrum ceremonies. What is Scrum ceremonies? Sprint planning. Team selects tasks for sprint. So in sprint planning, team selects tasks for sprint. Daily stand-up meeting, short daily meeting. That is, what do you do yesterday? What will you do today? Any blockers. Okay. Usually it will take 15 minutes. Then sprint review. Demo completed features to stakeholders. Okay, sprint review. Demo completed features to stakeholders. Then sprint retrospective. In sprint retrospective, we discuss what went well, improvements, if any improvements needed. Then Scrum artifacts. What is Scrum artifacts? Artifacts and description. Suppose product backlog. Artifact, product backlog. So all project requirements. So product backlog means all project requirements. Sprint backlog, tasks selected for sprint. Okay. Then increment, completed working product. Then agile testing. Testing happens continuously during every sprint instead of only at the end. Okay. What is agile testing? Testing happens continuously during every sprint. Okay. Instead of only at the end. Then agile testing types. Functional testing. Okay, so agile testing types, functional testing, regression testing, automation testing, and API testing. Let's discuss about the real-time agile flow. So requirement added, sprint planning, development, testing, bug fixing, deployment. Okay, so first requirement will be added, then we'll do the sprint planning, then development, testing, bug fixing, and deployment. Okay, these are the real-time agile flow. Okay, the next one is agile tools. Tool and purpose. Tools. Okay, so tool, suppose Jira. Purpose is sprint and defect tracking. Confluence, documentation. Jenkins, CI/CD. Okay, so these are agile tools. Jira is for sprint and defect tracking. Confluence is for documentation, and Jenkins for CI/CD. Okay, then agile advantages: faster releases, better quality, continuous feedback, high customer satisfaction, quick change adaptation. Okay, these are the advantages of agile. So what are the challenges in agile? Frequent requirement changes, continuous coordination needed, tight sprint timelines. So these are the challenges. Okay, frequent requirement changes, continuous coordination needed, and tight sprint timelines. These are the challenges in agile. Real-time example. So banking application sprint. What is the sprint goal? Implement fund transfer feature. Okay. Team activities. Developers code feature. Testers validate functionality. Automation team adds regression scripts. Okay. So suppose consider one banking application sprint. So in sprint goal, in sprint goal we can implement fund transfer feature. Okay, that is the goal of the sprint. Implement fund transfer feature. So what are the team activities? Developers code feature, testers validate functionality, automation team adds regression scripts. Okay, and DevOps deploys build. Okay, let's discuss about Agile versus Scrum. Agile is a methodology or philosophy. Scrum is a agile framework. Okay, Agile is methodology or philosophy. Scrum is agile framework. Agile is a broad concept. Scrum is specific implementation. With respect to interview questions, it will be asked like, what is Agile? So you can tell that Agile is iterative software development methodology. What is Agile? Agile is iterative software development methodology. What is Scrum? Scrum is Agile framework using using short sprints. Okay. Scrum is Agile framework using short sprints. Then what is a sprint? Sprint is time boxed iteration for development or testing. Okay. What is sprint? Sprint is time boxed iteration for development or testing. What happens in daily Scrum? Team discusses progress and blockers. Okay, what happens in daily Scrum? Here, team discusses progress and blockers. Who is Scrum Master? So, Scrum Master facilitates Scrum process and removes blockers. Okay, so who is Scrum Master? Scrum Master facilitates Scrum process and removes blockers. So in real-time interview answer, you can provide Agile is an iterative software development methodology and Scrum is the most commonly used Agile framework where work is delivered in short sprints with continuous testing and collaboration. Okay. In one line summary, you can tell that Agile enables iterative software delivery while Scrum organizes Agile work through short development sprints and team collaboration. Okay, so that's it for this session. I will come up with some new session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.